Are you wondering how to start an LLC for homestead business? Today, you will learn about the most common ways to start your homestead business, including the correct forms you'll need, how to register your LLC, critical naming requirements, and all other vital tips and tricks. Then, as a bonus later on in the video, I will reveal to you a trustworthy company called Inkfile who will help set up your LLC for free. So make sure to stick with me until the end. You can learn more about them by clicking the link in the description box below. In this comprehensive guide on starting a homestead business and the ideal choice of forming a limited liability company, LLC. Homesteading, once a way of life for pioneers, is now becoming a popular lifestyle choice for many individuals and families seeking self-sufficiency and a closer connection to the land. In this guide, we will dive into what a homestead business entails, the benefits of forming an LLC for your homestead, and a detailed, step-by-step procedure to establish your very own LLC. So, let's embark on this exciting journey together and discover how you can turn your homestead dreams into a thriving business. What is a homestead business? A homestead business involves utilizing a piece of land or property to cultivate crops, raise livestock, and engage in other sustainable practices. It is a lifestyle that combines aspects of farming, gardening, and self-sufficiency. A homestead business aims to produce goods for personal consumption, as well as generate surplus products for sale or trade in local markets. Let's start by understanding the benefits of an LLC for your homestead business. 1. Limited liability protection. Forming an LLC for your homestead business provides personal liability protection. In case your business faces legal issues or debts, your personal assets are shielded from seizure. This means your personal savings, home, and other assets will not be at risk. 2. Tax benefits. LLCs offer flexibility in taxation, allowing you to choose how you want your business to be taxed. By default, an LLC is considered a pass-through entity, which means the business's profits and losses pass through to the owner's personal tax returns. This simplifies tax reporting and can lead to potential tax savings. 3. Credibility and professionalism. Operating as an LLC gives your homestead business a professional image, which can be beneficial when dealing with suppliers, customers, and potential business partners. Many people prefer to do business with registered companies over unregistered ventures. 4. Succession planning. An LLC provides an easier framework for business continuity and succession planning. If you wish to pass down your homestead business to future generations, the process can be more straightforward compared to other business structures. Now that you understand the advantages of starting an LLC for homestead business, let's dive into the step-by-step process of forming your LLC. Step 1. Choose a business name. Select a unique and memorable name for your homestead business. Ensure it complies with your state's naming regulations and is not already in use. Step 2. Research your state's requirements. Check the specific requirements for forming an LLC in your state. This information can be found on the official website of your state's Secretary of State or Business Registration Office. Step 3. Designate a registered agent. Appoint a registered agent who will be responsible for receiving official documents and legal notices on behalf of your LLC. Step 4. File articles of organization. Prepare and file the articles of organization with your state's Business Registration Office. This document outlines the basic information about your LLC, such as its name, address, purpose, and management structure. Step 5. Draft an operating agreement. Though not required in all states, it's advisable to create an operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines the ownership and operating procedures of your business and helps avoid potential disputes among members. Step 6. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Depending on your homestead business activities and location, you may need specific permits or licenses. Check with local authorities to ensure compliance with all regulations. Step 7. Obtain an EIN. An employer identification number, EIN, is essential for tax purposes and is obtained from the IRS. It is used to identify your LLC for tax filings and hiring employees. Step 8. Open a business bank account. Separate your personal and business finances by opening a dedicated business bank account. This will simplify accounting and protect your personal assets. Step 9. Comply with tax requirements. Register with the appropriate tax authorities to ensure your LLC complies with all tax obligations. This may include sales tax, income tax, and employment tax. Step 10. Start your homestead business. With your LLC now established, you are ready to embark on your homestead business journey. Implement your plans, grow your crops, raise livestock, and develop products to support your sustainable and self-sufficient lifestyle. Starting an LLC for your homestead business is an ideal choice, offering limited liability protection, tax benefits, and a professional image. The step-by-step guide provided here can help you navigate the process of forming your LLC and set you on a path to success as you embrace the rewarding and fulfilling lifestyle of homesteading. So, get started, and may your homestead business thrive and flourish as you build a better future for yourself and the environment. Happy homesteading! If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. InkFile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through InkFile. The full review of InkFile is also given in the description box down below. InkFile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. InkFile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. InkFile does not collect this fee. The state filing fee that you are seeing above varies from state to state, thus the cost will vary based on where you choose to register your business. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. InkFile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees, already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the InkFile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because InkFile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. InkFile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term, piercing the corporate veil, comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC, personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.